Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 13 or later, and your Kia model supports wired or wireless CarPlay. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and unlock the screen. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the phone if you prefer wired CarPlay. Start the vehicle and leave it in park. Then, on the Kia head unit, navigate to Settings and Connectivity, so the system is ready to discover your phone. That prepares both devices to pair. You now pair and authorize CarPlay. On the Kia display, choose Phone or Apple CarPlay, then add New Device or Pair. The system will begin scanning. Next, pick your Kia from the iPhone Bluetooth list and accept prompts like Trust this computer and allow CarPlay access so apps can display. This step grants permission and explains why notifications and Siri work. If using wireless CarPlay, confirm the PIN shown on both screens or press pair, and then wait as the initial CarPlay app grid populates on the head unit. You finish by customizing and confirming operation. Open iPhone Settings General CarPlay to rearrange app icons, then test Maps, Music, and Siri to ensure audio and touch responses are correct. For wired setups, use a certified USB cable. For wireless, make sure the phone and head unit are on compatible Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections so latency stays low. If something goes wrong, restart both the phone and head unit. Toggle CarPlay and Bluetooth, then reconnect or repair. That simple reset fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.